right, due to a secondary fermentation inside the bottle, carbon dioxide produced by live yeast builds up pressure, typically in the range of 5 to 6 atmospheres. That's 90 pounds per square inch, which translates, of course, to 620 kilopascals. In other words, a corked bottle of champagne is a bomb waiting to go off. The point is to focus and control the blast to get to the stuff inside. This can be done by applying a sharp blow here, where one of the bottle's seams meets the lip of the bottle, or annulus. Would you stop snickering? This is serious business.
Do you want to know how to do that? Because it's pretty easy. First thing I'm going to do is to completely remove the foil. I'm going to move the cage up. Now we'll locate the seam. Make sure that the bottle itself is about 45 degrees so you don't lose too much.
Now, you're going to want to hold the bottle like this in your non-dominant hand with your thumb in the punt. What are people laughing at? I mean, that's what it's called, the punt. And rotate the bottle until you find one of the seams. You want that right up top. Now, any sword with a gentle sweep will do the trick. Feel free to use your scimitar or your katana, but not, of course, your Hattori Hanzo. That should be reserved for other things, all right? Now, I like...